Never buy a candle again. Make your own emergency lamp, using cooking oil. Look how cool it is. It lasts much longer than a candle and you will spend almost nothing. In a rainy season, what we have most is blackouts, isn't it true? And many times we don't have a candle or a flashlight at home. I will help you with that. But first, tell me from which city you are watching this video. Let's make an emergency lamp or an ecological lamp. Here I am using a glass of tomato paste. But you can use jelly, as long as it is a container with a lid. We will also use a small olive oil cap. I made a hole in the middle of both lids. You make this little hole with a knife. It is very simple. Now we are going to assemble our wick. You will need a piece of cotton rope. If you don't have any, get a piece of cotton fabric. Just braid it, and it will work. We are going to pass this string through the lid of the glass and then through the cap of the oil. The body of our lamp is now ready. Our fuel will be the oil, which will make the lamp last for hours. This is the actual cooking oil. And it can be any kind of oil, even olive oil and used oil. Here is 50 milliliters of oil, and this amount, I have already tested. The lamp lasts for 6 hours. Give it a good mix so that the oil gets well on the fabric. Then rub a little oil on the edge of the fabric and light it. Our lamp is ready. It is a very simple process to do. And the bigger the wick of your lamp, the bigger the flame. Just be careful with children, because it is still dangerous. Folks, I would like to pass on a message that is in 2 Timothy chapter 1 verse 7. For God has not given us the spirit of fear, but of fortitude, and of love, and of moderation. It is natural to feel fear, but you don't have to be dominated by it. God gives you the power to face your fears and live in a balanced way. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Bye bye.